When the check engine light came on, I began diagnosing the issue. Using a scan tool, I retrieved the fault code P0504, brake switch A-B correlation, which indicated a potential problem with the brake light switch or its circuit. I started by monitoring live data from the scan tool while pressing and releasing the brake pedal. The brake light switch parameter on the scan tool showed inconsistent readings, which confirmed there was an issue with the switch or its communication. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the brake light switch, looking for any visible damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the brake light switch connector. Both were present, indicating the power and ground connections were functioning properly. I then used the multimeter to test the continuity of the brake light switch while pressing and releasing the brake pedal. The readings showed no continuity when the pedal was pressed, which confirmed that the brake light switch itself was faulty. After diagnosing the problem, I replaced the faulty brake light switch with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the fault codes from the vehicle's system and performed a road test to ensure everything was working correctly. This time, the vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. The brake light switch is a critical component because it sends a signal to the vehicle's control module when the brake pedal is pressed. This signal is used not only for the brake lights but also for various other systems, including cruise control and certain safety features. A faulty switch can cause incorrect signals, leading to performance issues and triggering fault codes like P0504. By carefully diagnosing the issue step by step and verifying the repair, I ensure that the vehicle's systems were functioning as intended and that the check engine light remained off.